Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Saurav Ghosh and this is the part 3 on the topic final accounts of partnership business. I hope you have watched part 1 and part 2. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, I highly recommend you to watch part 1 and part 2. You can go and the description means the link to the videos will be given in the description below. Without causing further delay, let's start solving the sums. The technique will be similar as the technique I have used in my previous videos, that is in part 1 and part 2. First of all, the question will be displayed. You take your time and write the question, and most importantly, whatever I give, that only comes in exam. That is very important. I am not a professional teacher, not a teacher in an educational institution, merely a student who wants to teach everything whatever I know. But I can give you the guarantee that whatever I will teach, that only will come in the exam. So to get good marks, you need to solve these sums. I am not telling you to watch my videos only to solve these sums. You can watch any videos to build your concept and solve the sums. That's the basic thing. Now the most importantly, you see the question properly, go through it, read it properly, and if possible, write it down. You have written the question. Now moving on to the solution part. In the books of Mohan and Pritam, today I will try my level best to give you the best possible handwriting. Trading account. You please comment me. Actually, you don't comment that what I am doing wrong and what shall I improve and whether you have understood or not. The comment section is all yours. It is made for you all. Please comment and show your respect and love towards learning. Trading account, PL account, and PL appropriation account, APPROPRIATION. For the year ended 31/12/2009. This is the normal year, means normal year ending. This sum is not given in terms of financial year. We will make the format: debit, credit, particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. If in the examination hall, if you don't find space to write it here, you can do it in this way. You can do it in horizontal way if you want. If you want to get space, like my handwriting is means actually I use small handwriting, that also, which is very bad. You means very difficult to understand but for now you all have to understand what I teach. So I am writing using big handwriting, so I will use this space. I will utilize this space. I hope it is visible. Yeah, it's visible. Today this camera, means mobile phone camera, is quite fortunate to me. 2 opening stock, 60,000. purchase $80,000, to wages 10,000. You have to add the outstanding, add outstanding. $500, give, close it. 10,500. No, I mean to say yes, by mistakenly I have said no. I wanted to say now, but it's slip of tongue. Now in the credit side, by sales 1,60,000, by closing stock $80,000, total is 2,40,000. Now do the fill in the blanks technique. 60,000 plus 80,000 plus 10,500 minus 2,84,000. Answer is 89,500. Right here. To gross profit CD. Now bring it here. By gross profit. Actually I have to shout so that my audio is clear, or else you will start saying in the comment section audio is not clear. I know video is not clear, I don't have means, so that's things apart. I try my best to serve you. By gross profit BD. BD means brought down 89,500. Now trading account is completed step by step. In some sums in the exam they give you the balance, this balance, they give you the gross profit, so that you can directly start the profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account, and then move on to complete the balance sheet. That's the thing. So here in this case by interest, and by interest what I meant to say, as it is received means received and it is credited in the credit side means receipt side, and if I write only interest it means that I have received interest, I have not paid interest, so it means interest received. So try to understand, don't try to memorize, just try to understand. By interest 3,000 rupees. Now here the things related to sales and distribution, office and administration will come. I repeat it again and again. Why I repeat it again and again? So that it gets to your brain. You no need to keep on parrot learning method to memorize it. You just repeat it. Whenever I say repeat it. Trading account means factory, purchase, production. Profit and loss account means sales and distribution, office and administration. Yes. Just remember this, very easy, and practice. To rent. Here rent means office rent. 4,500. To commission. Here all indirect expenses are coming. 2,500. To trade expense. 8,000. To salaries 5,000. To depreciation of machinery 40,000 into 10%, that is 4,000. The technique is very easy, just remove 1 0. 10% is very easy. Now in this sum, if you remembered, in the adjustment there is point number 7, it is written bad debt to be provided rupees 6,000 and provision for doubtful debts at the rate of 5%. per annum on debtors. So here it's a formula. Old bad debt means the bad debt that is given in the trial balance. Old bad debt, you write it down, whatever I say. Old bad debt, that is means bad debt that is already given in the trial balance. Add further or new bad debt that is given in the adjustment. Now add new provision for doubtful debts. What now? How will you calculate new provision for doubtful debts? I will give at the end of the video. The formula of this will be given in the form of picture. If I write it and explain you, then it's a separate video can be made on this topic. So it will be a just the time will be more, means due to net factor and all data factors, so it can't be uploaded. You listen, and if possible now write it, or in the end of the video I will give you the formula. Add new provision for doubtful debts. How you will get new provision for doubtful debts? The technique is debtors minus new bad debt into what percentage is given in the question. Here the percentage is 5%, so into 5%. And if it is given in the any percent, 6%, 7%, write 6%, 7%. That is given in the question. Whatever is as per the instruction you will follow. Sum it up and then deduct less old provision for doubtful debts. Now what do I mean to say by old provision for doubtful debts? I mean to say old provision by the word old provision for doubtful debts means that is given in the trial balance. You will see that in the trial balance it is given in sometimes, and not maybe in this sum but in some other sum. In this sum only it is given provision for doubtful debts 2000 rupees. So you have to deduct the provision for doubtful debts. Now you have to understand which one is new, which one is old. The things that are given in the trial balance are old. The things that are given in the adjustments are new. The heading will be two provisions for doubtful debts. Bad debt, just modify the formula. If something is not given, omit it. Bad debt 6000 rupees. Add further provision for bad debt bad debt. I am writing it in big way so that you can understand. Let me see if it is visible or not. It's not so visible, but then also I zoom it up. You see now if it is visible or not. The formula is debtors minus old bad debt into the percentage that will be given in the question. Means 40,000 into 5%, that is 2000. Sum it up, you will get the answer as 8000 less provision for bad debt. ₹2,000, 6,000 rupees is the final answer. Now you see which side is more. The amount in the credit side seems to be bigger. So now sum it up. You will get the answer as 92,500. 92,500. Now 92,500 minus 4,500 minus 2,500 minus 8,000 minus 5,000 minus 4,000 minus 6,000. You will get the answer as 62,500. 62,500. 2. Net profit CD carried down. Now we will do brought down by net profit BD. 62,500. Net profit BD means net profit brought down. Now to the final part, profit and loss account is also completed. Now we will be moving on to the last last part of this statement. Then we will do balance sheet. We will do profit and loss appropriation account. What we actually get by doing profit and loss appropriation account is how much amount will the partners be getting. The amount is very much important. How much means amount of profit each partner will claim. You see here in Adjustment point number 5, it is given partners are to share profit in the ratio of their capital, and if you see their capital properly, you will find the capital is 50,000 is to 4,000. 50,000 is to 50,000 is to 40,000 is nothing but 5 is to 4. Zeros gets cancelled, it is nothing but 5 is to 4. Remember this thing is very important. Now you have to divide the profit among the partners in the given ratio. Now let's move on to here. A point is given: transfer 10% of net profit to reserve fund, and if this point is given, the first item on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account will be transferred to reserve fund. I hope it is clear to everyone. You have to remember, keep it in your mind, write it in a page and paste it in the wall if necessary. If it is given in the question to transfer certain percentage of net profit to reserve fund, the first item on the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account is going to be nothing but transfer to reserve fund. To transfer to reserve fund. 62,500 was the net profit. You have to transfer only 10%. That means 6,250. Now, next part is to interest on capital as usual. The way I have star marked the points in the question, you also do the same. It will be beneficial for you while solving the sums. Before the exam, you can't go and solve each and every sum. That is not a good way. You will end up in a chaotic situation. You either won't be able to cover up, or if you cover, you will be just means what was this and what was that. It will get mixed up. So if you remember the points which I have star marked, you see the points and the treatment which are given to the points. That's the technique. Mohan, 50,000 into 5% means 2,500. Mohan Pritam, 40,000 into 5%, 2,000. Sum it up, 4,500. Now, the most important part. We have come to one of the most important part. You see in this sum, it is said that salary is given to Mohan. Salary to Mohan. You remember the things. Salary to Mohan. Per month 100. 12 into 100. Oh, per month 1,000. Sorry, 12,000. I have not noticed. Here the interest, the question means the interest on drawings. Drawings is not mentioned in the question, so you have to not do. Question of drawings doesn't arise. To partners capital account, just we have to share the profit among the partners. Bracket you write in the bracket, sharing of profit. If I could manage some money and get a board, it will be the best way to teach you. But let's see, let's hope for the best. I am saving my money for you all to buy a board. 39750 into 5 by 9. We have done this fill in the blanks technique. We have did the similar fill in the blanks technique. 62,500, 62,500, 62,500 minus 6250 minus 4,500 minus 12,000. That is called, I say it in my way, as fill in the blanks technique. You can say anything you wish, or if you know the actual name, I call it fill in the blanks technique. This is the amount. 39750 is the amount which both the partners have to share. So 5:4 ratio. Out of 9 parts he will be getting 5 parts and he will be getting 4 parts out of 9 parts. If you do the calculation, you will get the answer as 22083, and if you do this, you will get the answer as 17667. Now the sum is still not completed. Final part is left, the balance sheet. let's move on to the final part and give this some end. I hope everything is visible. Yeah, visible. Balance sheet. As on 31/12/2009. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. You see, just see the trial balance part. As soon as you get assets and liabilities, just put it there and give it a cross that yes, this is completed, so that it does not get repeated. So here, first of all, I prefer to start the liability part first with the capital. Capital, Mohan's capital was 50,000 rupees. Add interest on capital. Interest on capital was rupees 2,500. Add salary 12,000. Add share of profit 22083. Sum it up, you will get the answer as 86583. Now Pritam 40,000. Add interest on capital 2,000. Add share of profit 17667. Sum it up, 59667. In the adjustment, that something was given, wages outstanding. Liabilities you mostly get from the adjustment part only, like wages outstanding, salaries outstanding, transfer to general reserve. And in the trial balance you merely get some liabilities. In the trial balance you get what? Bills payable, trade payable, bank overdraft, then creditors. These are the basics that you generally get from the trial balance. Maximum you get from the adjustment part only. Wages outstanding 500. Transfer to general reserve. Transfer to reserve I have written. Reserve fund. It was written in the question. Fund 6250. Creditors 45,000. Sum it up, you will get the answer as 1,98,000. Liability side is fully completed. Now we will move on to the asset side. And in the case of asset side, we should get the total as 1,98,000. That is very important for us, or else my prestige will go and you will believe that I am not teaching you anything good. So let's see. Closing stock 80,000. Machinery 40,000 less depreciation 4,000, 36,000. Cash in hand 10,000. Cash at bank 5,000. Debtor 46,000 less provision for doubtful debt 6,000 less bad debt 2,000. 38,000 is the total. Bills receivable 29,000. Now if we sum it up, let me sum it up properly. 80,000, 36,000, 10, 15, 38, 29. You will get the answer as 1,98,000. The sum is fully completed. You will get the full marks if you do it in this manner. If you give good presentation, you have to do the margin and present it in a good way. Now, because lack of time, I am not doing this margin and all. I hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share it among your friends, comment me so that I can understand whatever I have, what shall I improve, what are the drawbacks, and whether you have understood or not. Thanks for watching this video.